In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an interactive newsletter using Lucidpress, now called Mark. Interactive newsletters are a great way to grab attention, increase clicks, and keep your audience engaged. Start by opening your web browser and logging into Mark. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're inside, head to the templates section and search for newsletter templates. Choose a layout that fits your content style. Remember, this is just a starting point and everything can be customized. After opening your template, begin adding interactive elements. From the left content panel, drag a button onto your newsletter. Select the button, then use the link option on the right side to add an action. You can link it to a website, an email address, or even another page within the same newsletter. You can also make images, text boxes, or shapes clickable. Just select the element, add a link, and choose where you want readers to go. This is perfect for directing traffic to articles, offers, or sign-up pages. To make your newsletter even more engaging, you can embed a video. Copy the video link from YouTube or Vimeo, then use the embed or insert video option inside Mark. Paste the link, resize the video, and position it neatly within your layout. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button at the top. Choose to publish it online or generate a shareable link. Your readers will be able to click buttons, watch videos, and interact with your content easily. And that's it. You've just created an interactive newsletter in Lucidpress, now Mark. Happy designing and enjoy engaging your audience.